Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the low mileage 2014 Cadillac SRX Luxury Collection, stock number Z8804A. Only 31,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. We sold this SRX brand new, Sapphire Blue metallic in color. The SRX is a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Removable custom fit WeatherTech mat for easy cleaning, and removable privacy cover. This luxury collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power liftgate control, power seats, along with power adjustable pedals with memory settings for 2 drivers, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, with driver information system. Again, only 31,000 miles. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control. This SRX has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, set by buttons on the steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio app. Navigation, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and climate, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this SRX has a 3.6 liter V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.